How's it going today, guys? Talking at you from inside the car, and I'll show you why. Yeah. Windy as hell today. And the purpose of today's video is... ta-da! Yep, it came in yesterday. Just didn't have enough time to put it on the car, so that's what I'm doing today. Just really nasty weather, so anything that I do that's going to require me talking will be done inside the car, and everything done outside, well, you're just going to see me fiddling around. So I got the badge on Amazon. It only cost me about 10 bucks. I wasn't really expecting much, honestly. You know, maybe just a piece of plastic, kind of like what's on the car, you know, from the factory. But I was actually pleasantly surprised. This thing is actually quite nice. It's made out of metal, and it looks like the letters are filled in with enamel. Could be wrong, but it looks pretty damn good. And of course, this one is adhesive backed. It's just a peel and stick. But you can get this same badge with a mounting system that you would use on your grill. So all in all, I'd say that's a pretty good deal for just 10 bucks. It's very nice. Now this badge is a little bit different than what's already on my car. The font isn't exactly the same, and it's a little bit bigger, as I'll show you here in this image. Additionally, if you have a 2015 and up Challenger with the split wheel design, this one's too tall to actually fit where the factory badge would normally be at. It'll work just fine on the 2014 and older with the larger grill, but if you have a 2015 and up, you're going to need something a little bit smaller. And I guess it's a good thing I decided to put this on the spoiler and not on the grill then, because this would not have worked.